guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing something new. Today we're going to be building a Lego set! Okay, I'm expecting it to come now. Thank you. So we're going to be building Harry Potter. It's ages 8 and up, and it has 253 pieces. And in the back, you could get 2 centaurs, Harry Potter, Dolores, I think that's her name, and I keep forgetting her name. Hermione, something like that. And here we got the Gwarp. So inside here it says you could open it, and I think this is the part where they have the bell and they give it to the Gwarp. So let's open the box. Okay, be careful with scissors, because I can't even cut this open. Okay, I got it. There you go. We opened it. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, it's been such a long time I got a Lego set. Here comes the instructions. Here's the Gwarp. Oh, it comes with stickers. Oh, that's not cool. I do not like the stickers. We got bag 2. Bag 1. And another booklet. Are you kidding me? And yeah, that's it. There's nothing else, so let's build. Okay, so guys, we finished the Lego set. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed building this so much, but the thing is, the back hurts a lot when you build Legos. And that's one thing I will remember for the rest of my life. Okay, so I just said that because it really hurts right now. So right here, well, let's show you the minifigures first. Okay, now let's head on to the build. So here is a tree with a big spider web. What are you looking at? I like how they use green sausages for the mushrooms. I really like these grass pieces. I really like that. And I've never seen this spider before. I never seen this spider because it actually has eyes in this one. That's like that's a new and improved spider. And here you open. Oops, I took the sausage mushroom off. Here we go, and we open it, and here is like the bell, like hidden here. Oh, the mushroom fell again. There's a bone, which that wasn't the Gwarp scene. Here you have, I'm trying to reach in. Oh, this feels disgusting. So here you have a lantern, lamp, whatever you call these. And then we have a chicken foot or a turkey leg. There you go. I really like this. This is like another new pieces I have. And here is the bell, the little bicycle thing. Here's the bell at the ring and make the gore play with this. And we have some extra pieces over here with one extra wand. I don't know what I'm going to be using that for. Maybe in the future, I'll know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed me build this set. If you guys want to see some more Lego sets, comment down below and leave a like. And see you next time. Bye!